Hello everyone, I'm going to be reviewing the Elmer's Goo Unicorn Slime from Walmart, and it's the fluffy kind. So let's open it up and make it drip out. Oh. See, look, it's super stretchy, and at first when you get it, it will come out watery, but then it will turn out sticky the more you play with it. And as you can see, there are unicorns falling out of it as I play with it. So you guys got to be careful for that too. And I have two other different slimes that I'm going to be reviewing. I could even get them right now. The one we're going to be doing next is this one. It is two slimes mixed, well, practically three slimes mixed together. My star slime, my confetti slime, and my sprinkle slime. It's not going to turn out watery at first when you get it, but it will be sticky, stretchy, and also you can take pieces out of it and play with it a little bit first. Then you can make it to where it's like a bubble, see? Then you can wrap it around your hand and try to get it off without a mess. The next slime is this one. The Slimy Goop Mix-Ems, and it's blue raspberry scented. And it includes a lot of different things. And it is kind of hard to open, so give me a minute. So it's this one. It has little foam balls in it, and it is blue and very squishy. If I could take it out. And it's very jiggly. And it has glitter in it. Can't see it on camera, but it has glitter on it. And it's a very good stress reliever, especially the part with the foam balls in it. That's all for today. Guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.